Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on this doily journal cover. I've pulled out quite a few doilies to sort of look at to see what would go on it, but I'll show you what I've done so far. Okay, this is the fabric that Tanya gave me. It's got a real, if you look up close, it's got little purple sprays of flowers on it. And I really liked it. I thought, yeah, as soon as I seen it, I thought that's going to go on my doily journal. So what I've done here is, this is 2 layers of manila folder glued together. Then I've got a layer of this on the front and the back. And that's a roll of this, it's like curtaining reinforcement, you know, that like for big drapes, I think. You get it at the op shop. I've seen it everywhere at the op shops, and I've got a couple of rolls of it. And when I make these journals, especially when I need reinforcing, I generally put 2 layers on, one on the front and one on the back, or you can put them both on the back, or both on the front, or both on the inside, sorry. So I've got that, and I've got this, and I want to figure out that's going to be the outside of the cover. Alright, when it bends around the right way. My last one was quite bendy as well, so, and that's going to be the outside. Plus I want to, I'll just tuck that in so I know where the perimeter is. I want to decorate it with doilies on the outside. So I've got some doilies here. I've just been having a play with what could look nice. I sort of liked one of these on an angle. Maybe not the square one now. I love that. It's got, is that tatting? Yeah, that's got beautiful tatting on it. I loved this one. I didn't want to sort of, I just wanted to showcase the doilies, you know. Do a bit of a doily sort of collage. Not sure yet how this is going to all work. There's this one. This one's quite pretty. I'll put that, and that covers up that, doesn't it? Or I could put that down the spine. And that could go round the spine. That might look nice there. What else have I got? I'll put those 2 back. Move that. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, it could look nice. See, whatever's going to hang over, I'll wrap round, I think, and then you'll see it on the inside a little bit as well. So probably what's balking me is that I'm seeing the whole book at once. I'm not going to see the whole book at once, am I? I'm only going to see the back or the front. That's what's sort of balking me a bit. Well, at least I know I like this down the middle. So I might just sit them aside, those smallish ones. So I want that one. So I was either going to put this one down the middle, which wouldn't go, would it go the whole way? Or just go the whole way. I think that one looks nicer, doesn't it? It gives a more dramatic effect. So all I'm going to do, and this is what I did with my last doily journal, I made it exactly the same way. It just had the 2 layers of the manila folder. I have got these ones here as well, which I wanted to pick one to put on the inside. They're all the signatures. There's quite a bit in this journal. I wanted to pick one for the inside. Maybe this one. But it'll have to be cut down. Okay, I might glue down the inside first. So we'll cut off the excess, and I'll be able to use all these edges. All this scrap I'm going to keep because I can put that down the edges of pages. Love that pattern on there. That it's almost like an embossed type pattern, and it's going to come, I'm going to sort of bend it so it comes around like that. So right, now the front. I'll do half at a time as well. I want my spine to be that shape. So yeah, so I sort of want it to dry that shape. Alright, I think that's looking alright. Put it in there. And that will be my cover. And I'm just putting the bottle in there so this cardboard and that reinforcing stuff just curves. I want it to have a curved spine. And I'll set this to dry like for overnight in that sort of position. So and in the morning then it'll be nice and stiff, and hopefully everything. So I'll set it like that. Probably put these clips together maybe. And let it dry like that. Alright, if you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. Press that bell button to get notifications. If you feel inclined to support me in my channel, you can look down this way at the thanks heart and check that out. I'll be on again for Thrifty Thursday. I've got some things for Thrifty Thursday haul. Alright, so take care and I'll catch you soon for a new video. Bye!